people, it's Mrs. Perrine here for this week's STEAM lesson. This week we are going to make a bouncy egg. It takes 1 to 2 days, okay? So be patient, but we're gonna test it out today. So what you're gonna need an egg. You're gonna need some vinegar. I think any kind of vinegar will work. This is regular white distilled vinegar, but I'm sure you could use apple cider vinegar. And some sort of container with a lid. I used a jar. What you're gonna do, you're gonna get your egg, put it into the jar or container with a lid, and then you are going to fill it up to the top with vinegar. Okay. This, like I said, it takes a day or two, but what you're gonna notice is the eggshell is going to dissolve, and you're gonna watch that process happen over the day or so that you have it in the container. So after that time, here's my egg. I had it soaking for a few days already. So you can see it used to be this color. Now it's clear. So we're gonna take it out and we're gonna see if it really does bounce. And remember, vinegar, it kind of smells bad, okay? So we're gonna test it. Take it out. Smells bad. And we will see when I take it out of the container if it bounces. Okay, we're gonna test this outside. So I'm gonna adjust it so we can look on the ground, and I'll take it out of the bottle. Can't get it. I just dumped out the vinegar. All right. Oh, it feels so jelly-like. It's very rubbery, and you could see it. It's almost see-through. You could see that yolk in the inside. Okay. Now we're gonna test it out. Okay, it bounces. It's a bouncy egg. Oh, and it busted. All right, so make sure that you do this outside. I don't think your parents are gonna like the mess that it makes. You could see, here's what's left of the eggshell, and then you can see the egg yolk on the floor. So have fun, enjoy, send me what you get. Remember to email me pictures, videos, anything you can. Mara_K@aps.edu. See you next time.